Hello you guys, welcome back. So right now I am cleaning up my client's stitch braids. This is my favorite part of stitch braiding. Well, actually I like all parts of stitch braiding, but this part is my favorite because it's just so satisfying. So basically I forgot my rat tail comb, my metal comb, so I'm using the all-purpose comb where I broke the teeth off. So I'm using this to clean up my part. And you guys, you can see how the parts are slowly separating as you comb underneath. Don't do this too hard because stitch braids already hurt, so sometimes this can be very uncomfortable for your clients. So just take your time, try not to do them too fast, and just take your time. Right here I just rubbed on some shining jam, and then I'm going back through to clean it up, and I do that through every braid, every stitch, for that sharp, clean part. Like, it's so important. So when we get ready to do the cleanup on top, you want to make sure the client's head is laying backwards, because it's easier to clean up the part standing behind them rather standing in front of them. You don't want to land all over your clients. You know what I'm saying? You want to kind of stay behind them at all times. And right here I am applying more shining gel to the other side of the stitch braid. Whatever you do to one side, you want to always remember to do to the other side. Make sure you guys like, comment, and share.